You've made it to day number 7. So tip number 7 is simplify. Yes, you can simplify your paperwork. I'm Marsha Ramsland, your organizing pro. And the question comes from Ruth Ann in California. She said, I have papers galore. They're everywhere. They're on my kitchen table. They're in my home office. They're at the stand where I sit at night and watch TV. I can't get it together. Well, you have to get it together. Have one place where you do your mail every day, bring it there, get a letter opener. And I have a letter opener that tells you on the back exactly what to do with a piece of paper. So get that letter opener at organizingpro.com. And it tells you before you put down a piece of paper, stop. And the reason is there are certain steps to take so it doesn't just become a pile. All right, so Ruth Ann, decide where are you going to do your daily mail? Probably the kitchen table is not the place because you have to clear it off for every meal. So is it better in the home office area and you take the mail there? That would be great. And if you slit it open and take it there, that's fine. But then the junk mail, don't even take it there. Get rid of it right away. And you can be sure your paperless home will look like a model home because that's what model homes have. No paper. And you want to make sure the flat surfaces are clear. So then you want to have a system. At your desk, you're going to have the place where you bring incoming papers on the right side. It's clear from your shoulders forward. That's where you deal with the first piece of paper, and then right down to the left side is going to be your recycle bin. Now, if you're going to keep paper, it goes in the 5 file folders that are in the file drawer next to you, and that handles the mail with to do, to pay, my interest, to decide, that takes care of a lot of papers, and then information with your name on it. Okay? All right, you can do it. So if you need help getting your paper organized, it's not just the paper, it's streamlining the workflow. And once you can do that and you can get down to 2 file drawers per household, you will feel like, I know where my finances are. I know where my medical bills are. I know where my tax papers are. And I get to read the mail that I haven't gotten to and all caught up. I'm Marsha Ramsland. I love to help people get their desk area, their workspace organized. And now, since everyone seems to have had to work at home, it seems like this will become part of your future. And that's why I am doing this. So give me a ring, send me an email, Marsha at Organizing Pro. Send me your picture of your paperwork area, and we will get started. Okay, see you soon at organizingpro.com.